There's an outstanding matter, Prime Minister. We know you have to leave us soon. The people of Jamaica have been asking the questions. When last I spoke to you in February, I put the question to you about your statutory declarations. You told me that you had written to the Integrity Commission and you were awaiting a further response from them. Have you had that response?
Since
And what
then,
was
they
the
have written
response?
to me. I've written back to them. They have written to me. I've written back to them, and it is still a matter for the Integrity Commission. Like you, I too am anxious to have this matter resolved.
But what
And
is the
if it
nature
were,
of the issue that you keep having to respond about?
well, the general issue of the Integrity Commission is that they do an entire audit on your financials and your personal finances, and for me, going back several years. And that takes time because it is just not my response alone that they have to await. They have to await the responses of several other agencies, entities. It's a very detailed process. And I don't want to comment on it too much because the nature of the process is that the Integrity Commission is the entity that really should give the final disclosure and approval. So I humbly await the Integrity Commission's
But
response.
aren't you worried that you're bleeding political capital over this issue while they are silent on it?
Well, it's one of those things you deal with politically. As I said, it is the process, and I have followed the process as best as I can, and I can only await the Integrity Commission. I am in an invidious position because I am the one that has to ensure that the law is respected, and therefore you will never hear me make any complaint. Even if I feel it has been unfair and unduly so to me, you will never hear me complain.
Prime Minister, that fund you launched today with the help of NCB Foundation, yes, you were giving some details. How can people contribute to it and know that, listen, this is legit?
Well, we've done everything to ensure that we put in the necessary protections because in today's world, as you know, there will always be persons trying to use, fraudulent means, even in a time of crisis. So the website that we have developed is the disasterfund.opm.gov.jm, and this is a secure website. And you will know that you have the .opm.gov.jm. That's the Jamaica government's website domain. So we ask all Jamaicans here and overseas and anyone else who wants to help to use this website and make a contribution.
Thank you very much, Prime Minister. We know you
Thank
got to
you very
run.
much.
Thank you,
Thank
Prime
you.
Minister.
Good.